In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Apps. Now click on AppTwin, which is built-in app cloner of Honor. And to clone any of your available apps which are listed here, use gray switcher next to the chosen one. Then wait, and when it's done, go back to check it out. So when I do that, I can see that my Instagram was successfully cloned. Now, if you want to delete this clone, you can go back to the same section in your settings and use Now Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Disable. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!